Today's meditation is called the Cozy Room and the Jigsaw Puzzle. Take a moment to get comfortable. Move around a little in your seat until you feel settled. As you gently close your eyes, notice your back resting on the chair, your feet gently rested on the floor. Taking a long, deep breath, and as you release it, feel yourself sink a little more into your chair. You are aware of the noises around you, but you're not focusing on them. This is your moment to disconnect, to step away from where you were to this present moment of calm. Breathe in again, and as you release, your arms feel a little heavier, your shoulders feel a little lower as you sink into relaxation. Imagine yourself walking into a cozy room. The soft glow of the fireplace warms the space, and the gentle hum of the clock ticking in the background creates a soothing rhythm. The room is filled with a comforting scent of vanilla and cinnamon. Take a moment to look around, and as you do, you feel this is a safe space. In the center of the room, there's a small wooden table. On it lies a jigsaw puzzle, its pieces scattered in a seemingly chaotic array. You think about sitting down to do the puzzle, but at first glance, the task feels overwhelming. You do not know where to begin. You take a moment to breathe deeply, and as you slowly release, you decide to try complete the puzzle. Looking past the many pieces, you start by finding those with straight edges. These pieces are the foundation, the border that will frame the puzzle. As you connect each piece, you feel a sense of accomplishment and clarity. The edges begin to form a complete picture, providing structure and guidance. With the border in place, you start to see the puzzle taking shape. The once daunting task now feels more manageable. You can see the size of the puzzle more clearly. You feel more control now with the structure and border in place. You begin to sort the remaining pieces by colour and pattern, tackling small sections at a time. Each piece you place brings you closer to completing the puzzle. As you continue, you remind yourself that sometimes problems in life and at work can feel like this puzzle. They seem difficult and overwhelming at first. But by starting small and focusing on quick wins, you build confidence. Each small success empowers you to tackle the more challenging aspects, just like finding the straight edges before focusing in on the inside of the puzzle. Feeling the satisfaction of seeing the puzzle come together, piece by piece, you allow this sense of accomplishment to fill you with confidence and peace. Can you see the image that you're creating? Maybe it's a scene in nature, an animal smiling at you through the many puzzle pieces. You take in another deep breath. You start to imagine yourself standing. It's time to leave this space and this moment. You slowly walk towards the door. Start to become once again aware of the space that you're in. The chair beneath you, your feet on the ground. You gently let in the sounds around you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Remember, just like the puzzle, you can approach life's challenges one piece at a time. Each small step brings you closer to your goal. I wish you a good day. From my heart to yours, Namaste.